So I really wanted to have something decent for you guys, but currently it is raining and blowing like a sumbitch outside. As you may be able to see by the trees right over there. So I'm inside playing with this cute little hydroplane that I bought. You'll probably see this in future videos. I'm hoping to at least take it out on the water once this summer, fall, whatever season it may be, just to get a little bit of a baseline on it. It's a cute little hydroplane. Flat bottom with a couple of sponsons. I believe that it's a home-built unit out of a maybe some plans from Popular Mechanics or something like that. I picked up this 20-horse Evinrude for it. I have some big plans. Whether they come to fruition, I won't be able to tell you. I did get a new exhaust bung welded into the part of the new exhaust for Deathwish. I'm switching over to an AEM wideband instead of the dual channel Innovate because I'm having trouble calibrating it to run on my HP tuners and actually log it. Other than that, the dog and I are hanging out in the garage, puttering on this little tiny boat, and just having a good time. So, I'm sorry I don't have a good update for you. Tomorrow it's supposed to be decent. I've ordered some fresh parts for Deathwish, some little cleanup things that I knew that I needed. And we should be able to get that thing running hopefully next week. So stay tuned, and please like and subscribe if you are interested in keeping tabs on it.